Tax season. Just the phrase alone can send a shiver down the spine of the bravest souls. But here's the thing, it doesn't have to be a daunting ordeal. And there are numerous ways to lower your taxable income and potentially beef up your refund through IRS tax deductions and credits. Whether you're a homeowner, a parent, a charitable giver, an older adult, or someone who's self-employed, there are tax breaks designed just for you. Today, we're going to unpack these opportunities, making tax season a little less scary and a lot more rewarding. To begin, let's start with the basics, the standard deduction. It's like the IRS's way of saying, let's keep this simple. Instead of itemizing your deductions, which involves detailing each deductible expense, you can opt for a fixed dollar amount to reduce your taxable income. Most taxpayers go this route because it's straightforward and often offers a decent deduction. But don't just go with the flow without checking the waters. Sometimes, itemizing your deductions, especially if you have a mortgage, medical expenses, or make significant charitable donations, can lead to bigger savings. Now, onto the part that warms the heart, family-focused tax credits. The child tax credit is a major player here, offering a significant deduction for parents and guardians. It's designed not just to lower your tax liability, but in many cases, to put money back in your pocket thanks to its refundable nature. The Earned Income Tax Credit is another lifeline, especially for those with lower to moderate incomes. It's a refundable credit that increases with the number of children you have, offering a substantial boost to your refund. But then, what about when life throws you a curveball? Say, childcare expenses that seem to eat up your paycheck? That's where the Child and Dependent Care Credit comes into play, offering relief for those childcare bills that enable you to work or look for work. And if you're expanding your family through adoption, the adoption credit is there to support you financially, covering expenses related to the adoption process. For the homeowners among us, there are several key deductions to keep in mind. The mortgage interest deduction is a big one, allowing you to deduct the interest paid on your home loan, which can be a hefty sum in the early years of your mortgage. And also, let's not overlook the energy-efficient upgrades. If you've made your home greener, there are credits available for those solar panels or energy-efficient windows you've installed. Medical expenses can put a strain on any budget, but the IRS offers some solace here. If your medical expenses exceed a certain percentage of your adjusted gross income, you can deduct those costs. And for those contributing to a health savings account, your contributions are not only tax deductible, but also a smart way to save for future medical expenses. Next, as we all know, education costs are soaring, but so are the tax breaks available to students and their families. The American Opportunity Tax Credit and the Lifetime Learning Credit are here to ease the burden, covering everything from tuition and fees to textbooks. And for those still paying off student loans, the interest you're paying might just lower your taxable income thanks to the student loan interest deduction. And now, for my fellow entrepreneurs and freelancers, the home office deduction is a silver lining, allowing you to deduct expenses related to your home office. And teachers, you're not forgotten. The educator expense deduction acknowledges the out-of-pocket expenses you incur to educate the future generation. Also, there are additional deductions for seniors. As we age, our tax considerations change, but there are benefits here too. For those over 65, an extra standard deduction is available, and for anyone making charitable donations directly from an IRA, those donations can count towards your required minimum distributions without increasing your taxable income. And I should mention, in the spirit of modern advancements, those who've embraced electric vehicles or installed EV charging stations at home are eligible for credits that can significantly lower your tax bill. So, it's clear that the IRS offers a variety of ways to reduce your taxable income and boost your refund through deductions and credits. Whether it's through family-focused credits, homeowner deductions, medical and education expenses, or even special considerations for older adults and the eco-conscious, there are opportunities to save at every turn. Remember, the key to maximizing these benefits is understanding your eligibility and ensuring you claim everything you're entitled to. Consider consulting with a tax professional for personalized advice and peace of mind, ensuring you're making the most of the tax laws designed to benefit you.